desert, you can remember your name. So ain't no one for to give you no pain. La 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 la. Well, howdy there pluckers, I'm a Sore Fingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for hopefully another interesting guitar lesson. This is America's classic song, Horse with No Name, okay, which I've been requested to do a few times now, so I've eventually got round to doing it, okay. So it's basically two chords, that's all you really need for this song, okay. I'm in standard tuning, by the way, no capos, doing it in the same key as America. Okay, first chord, straightforward E minor. Okay, nothing complicated about that, just straightforward E minor. The second chord is a strangely named chord. It's D6-9 with F sharp in the bass. Okay, so all it is basically is you just split your fingers. I'm using my second finger and third finger to play the E minor, and all you do is you move the second finger up to the second fret of the bottom E string, and the third finger goes down a string to the third string on the second fret. So the second chord is second fret bottom E string and second fret third string, the G string. All 6 strings. Okay, and what I would recommend you do is when you go to it from the E minor to the D6-9 with F sharp in the bass is this second finger is leant in towards the inner of the part of the fretboard, and it's the back of it is resting on the 5th string. So you mute the 5th string with the back of your finger, and that's good. I don't think it sounds as good if you leave it open. So you've got that a bit of a discord going on there, a bit heavy on the bass, yeah. So it's better if you just lean this second finger in slightly, so it's resting, back of it is resting on the 5th string, so it's muted. And you can strum away to your heart's content without it sounding a bit heavy on the bass side there. Okay, and it's just, I'll try and slow the strumming down for you, so. Basically this is just constantly going down and up, or up and down, whichever way you want to do it. Bit of a bit of an accent going on there. Bit of a pause. So hopefully that'll show you the strumming. I'm not into strumming patterns, as you probably realise. Listen to it with your ears and pick up the rhythm. That's my advice. Okay, and try and transfer it to your strumming hand. And that's it. So that's the 2 chords you need. So let's just go through this now. And there's only one other thing to show you, and that's that little riff bit. Okay, it's played on the bass guitar, but it's very prominent. And if you're doing it on your own with no other instruments, it's quite nice to put that in if you can get it in. Okay, so all that bit is it's a hammer from the open 4th string to the 2nd fret on the 4th string, the D string. 2 more hits on that 2nd fret on the 4th string. So it's right, open 4th string, and then a very quick 2nd fret B string, A string, sorry, the B note on the 2nd fret of the A string. So but it's obviously played fairly quickly. Okay, So let's go from the beginning then. Here we go. On the first part of the journey, I was looking at all life. There were plants and birds and rocks and things. There was sand and hill and rain. This thing I met was a fly with a buzz and the sky with no clouds. The heat was hot and the ground was dry, but the air was full of sand. I've been through the desert with a horse that will be. It felt good to be out of the rain. In the desert, you can remember your name, because there ain't no one for to give you the pain. La 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 la. So on. Okay, you get the idea? Hopefully that will help you with that song. It's fairly easy, just needs a bit of practice. Okay, thanks very much for joining me. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.